champagne girl.
And he's got his champagne girl.
It is going that way.
Just don't hit me with the corks.
Come on!
Hold on. First, I want to say thank you. Thanks everybody for your support, especially all the ones that supported us. And I want to also thank all the haters that hated us. Because if you're not getting hated on, you're not doing it right, as nobody say. It's been a long journey. A lot of late nights, a lot of all-nighters. A lot of people talk about COVID and they said, oh, COVID delayed them. There was so many days in COVID that we worked instead of went racing. It probably helped us. It's crazy to say that all the other factories were done, but it helped Daniel and myself in the engineering side of it. Daniel, Kyle, myself, we basically lived at the shop for about 8 months. And we worked 7 days a week on getting the project done. So a lot of people say COVID slowed us down when it did the manufacturing side, but it helped us in the engineering side of things, for sure. We're really excited about being in this building. A lot of people have been saying, oh, the building's sitting vacant. Why is that? I gotta be honest, I had a hard time taking this many deposits and then building a bitchin' building. I just didn't feel right doing it. So we did the car, and now we'll get after the building. So when you look at the building, this is not what it's gonna be. This is just gonna get us by for, call it 90 days. And this will be a completely different facility in 90 days and be a proper facility. I wanna thank Todd for doing this ride with me.
Robby's ride. It's a new RZR.
He wrote me a letter this morning, and would you please explain? You made me think for like a half hour.
The best thing about being busy all the time is you don't read everything, and when you write it, you don't proof everything. So between the two of us, we half the time don't know what the hell we're saying. So I knew I'd get him because we had been up late last night, and I was in the men's room.
Still in bed.
I was in the men's
leaving,
room.
right?
He yells at me, hey, nice to get up and go to work early. I'm like, man, I'm in the office. So as he left, I wrote him, like, hey, dude, I work my ass off. I'm working 110%, 60% of the time.
So I had to do the math, and he wouldn't even pass pre-K with that. So, wait, what are you doing inside that car?
But Rob's right, thank you. Thank all of you, and it's going to be the car is amazing, and it's an amazing ride, but this journey for us, our staff, and our supporters and family, it's an even amazing ride. And couldn't have done it without everybody in Charlotte, all our engineers, Sherry, Ginger, Marlene.
And our customers.
Our staff.
Yeah. Thank you.
So thanks, guys. Please stand back if you're not going to care to get hit. Then we're going to cut the ribbon. Then we're going to go out and party.
Bring it on.
Hey, here's to our next victory.
Bring it on.
Oh, come on, man. You deserve a drink now. Do it. I didn't save myself any.
Great job, guys. Thank you. Daniel, come in. Get in here.
Come on, everybody.